Mastering the art of egg wash, a key to shiny pastries. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a culinary term that's as delicious as it sounds: glazing with egg wash. This technique is a cornerstone in baking, transforming good pastries into great ones with a golden sheen. Whether you're an aspiring chef or just curious about cooking terms, understanding glaze with egg wash will add a new layer to your English vocabulary and your culinary skills. An egg wash is a mixture made primarily from beaten eggs, often combined with water, milk, or cream. This blend is brushed onto the surface of pastries before baking. The key purpose of an egg wash is to add color, shine, and texture to baked goods. It can also act as an adhesive for attaching seeds or other toppings to breads and pastries. The composition of an egg wash can vary depending on the desired outcome. Here are the most common types. Whole egg and water. This is the most versatile form, providing a nice balance of shine and color. Whole egg and milk, or cream, adds extra richness and a softer crust. Ideal for desserts and sweet pastries. Egg yolk and water, or milk, gives a deep golden color and shiny finish, perfect for making your pastries stand out. Egg white and water offers a crisp crust with a lighter color, suitable for lighter pastries. Glazing with egg wash is a simple yet crucial step in baking. Here's how to do it. 1. Beat your chosen egg wash mixture until smooth. 2. Brush the mixture lightly onto the surface of your unbaked pastry. Be sure not to use too much, as excess can pool and affect the pastry's texture. 3. Bake as per your recipe's instructions. The egg wash will work its magic in the oven, creating a beautiful golden brown finish. To get the most out of your egg wash, keep these tips in mind. Use a soft pastry brush to apply the egg wash evenly and gently. For a uniform appearance, ensure the entire surface is covered, including the edges. Adjust the thickness of your egg wash according to your recipe's needs. Thinner washes for a light shine, and thicker washes for deeper color and texture. There you have it, a complete guide to glazing with egg wash. This simple technique can elevate your baking, adding both flavor and visual appeal to your creations. We hope this video has been informative and inspires you to try out this essential baking skill. Happy baking, and see you in our next lesson.